Mess him up.
Go. Go. Can you do any cheers, Natasha? Do you remember any of the cheers?
Yeah.
How do they go? What are you supposed to say?
I don't know.
2 more.
2 more.
Back up and do it.
2 more. What's the other one?
Well, how does it go? 2 more.
2 more. We want another one. Yes, like the other one. 2 more.
Do it again.
We want another one. Just like the other one. 2 more.
Again.
We want another one. Just like the other one. 2 more.
Yay, good job. How does the other one go?
I don't know.
Starts with a W. Go over there and do it.
W.
Go over there and do it.
I in the middle. I in the middle.
Okay, starts with a W. Show me your W. Very good. Ends with a N. I in the middle.
I in the middle.
Win, win, win.
Win, win, win.
Very good. Yay.
Is it my turn?
How does the other one go, Natasha? We've got spirit. Yes, we do. We've got spirit. How about you?
We got spirit. Yes, we do. We got spirit. How about you?
Again.
We got spirit. Yes, we do. We got spirit. How about you?
We got spirit. Yes, we do. We've got spirit. How about you?
Is it my turn, Mom? My turn?
And who do we have back there?
Me.
Who is me?
Pirates.
Yeah? What do you do for the pirates?
They cheer.
They cheer. What do you do for the pirates?
I don't play basketball.
You play basketball?
Yep.
Do you make all of your shots?
Yes.
Do you practice hard?
Yeah. No.
Yeah?
No. I do not.
You don't practice?
Yeah, I practice real hard, but I'll make a shot.
Okay, show me how you make a shot.
He makes a shot. No, I didn't.
Do it again.
Basket. Do it again?
You can do it. Make the basket.
I do it.
Yay! Very good.